Hello everyone. Today we're gonna do a quick unboxing on a new GoPro Hero12 that I just purchased today. I know there are a lot of unboxings and review videos about this camera already, but this is an interesting package. As most of you know, GoPro for the Hero12 no longer offers the standard package with that black carrying case. You just get the white foam included, in which the camera and all the accessories sit. But I managed to find this one. It's brand new, but it is the combo with the 64 gigabytes card included, and from what I saw on online on EMAG, which is a Romanian website, the equivalent of Amazon and eBay, no, the equivalent of Amazon, so to speak, not eBay. Yeah, I purchased this one along with a 256 gigabyte card from Samsung. I prefer mostly to use this type of card than the SanDisk Extreme. I've had certain problems with them in the past, so I chose to stick with this one. Okay, so without further ado, let's get to unboxing this one. Okay, now I'm gonna be a bit more careful because I like to have my packages intact. Okay, as you can see, it does come with that black carrying case. All right, okay, let's get this out. All right, there's the box. I do actually like this carrying case. Too bad that GoPro has stopped selling it for most of their cameras. Don't know why. At least for this generation, for the GoPro Hero12. So I'm a bit surprised that I managed to find this one. It is brand new with warranty, so you know. Alright. Yeah, in the box, the usual pamphlet with the camera needs to be updated before used. Okay, what else do we have up here? The 64 gigabyte card, which nice inclusion, but I'm not gonna use it that much. It's gonna be a backup one in case I ever need it. Okay, USB charging cable, the curved mount for your helmet or whatever other accessories you need, the thumb screw. I'm not gonna try to take it out because it is a bit difficult. Alright, I'm guessing this one here is the Enduro battery. Let's try and get it out nicely, not mess up the package that much if I can. Yeah, apologies, it's gonna be a bit longer this video, but that's how I like to. Yep, got it. Alright, you also get the buckle mount up here. Alright, put this back in, set the battery aside, the charging cable back in the box, and now for the GoPro itself, the Hero12. Let's get this box over there. Alright, the same, I'm gonna try and keep this package intact. You may call it an OCD or whatever, but I do enjoy keeping most of this intact, just in case I decide to resell these. It's gonna be mostly intact. Alright, let's put this one back in. Alright, here's the GoPro Hero12 itself. Now this is the most tricky part, removing these protective films. They are made of sticky paper and they can rip quite easily. And this one came a lot easier actually. Okay, here's another one with camera with a warning. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. Alright, and here it is. I quite enjoy it. Quite like the way it looks and how it feels. I don't know, but the rubber finish on it with these sparkles or whatever you want to call them does feel a lot nicer than the Hero 11 one, which I'm using to film this unboxing with. On the bottom, the usual GoPro mount with an additional mount for the standard I don't even know how to call it, but yeah, you get the idea. Alright, let's put the battery in. I'm not gonna put the micro SD card in yet. Alright, let's see if we have some juice in it. Alright, seems to power on quite immediately. GoPro. Yes, English. Agree. Sure, let's turn voice control on. Confirm. Okay. Okay. Well, as I said, this is just an unboxing of the camera. I'm sure you've seen plenty of these types of videos out there, so I'm not gonna make it any longer than this. But yeah, here's the unboxing of my new GoPro Hero 12. I hope I will get to use this in the coming holidays, especially in December, since I plan to travel and do the types of videos that you already seen two of on my channel. So yeah, thank you for watching and hope to see you soon. Bye.